All right. Hi, everybody. Thank you for taking the time to take a look at my program on From Distracted to Productive. And as you can see in the title, my name is Randy Dean. I'm popularly known as the Email Sanity Expert. And as you can see in the title, this program is all about living in a world that is 100% full of distractions, interruptions, and of course, in this day and age, e-distractions, including these darn things. And so I actually start this program sort of fun. I try to get the audience to think a little bit about why they might be so distracted these days. And what's sort of interesting is I say, just sort of consider why people are so distracted. And then I share this. Email, voicemail, snail mail, documents, e-documents, faxes, text messages, stacks, piles, clutter. How many of you have some clutter? Of course, you have all those pesky interruptions if you're in your normal workspace. Now, a bunch of us, because of the recent COVID thing, are working from home or working hybrids. Now our family and friends are the people interrupting us, not our coworker down the hall. We've got the smartphones and tablets and the more than 2 million related apps, all of which are trying to get your attention. We've got social media, which has actually been shown to make people potentially more clinically depressed and clinically addicted, joy. And all of that social media now is being fed by the traditional media and news channels. And yeah, we talk about all this stuff because this is the stuff that is causing your distraction. This and more. We've got all of these input streams coming in. Most of us didn't grow up with all this stuff all the time. A lot of us are struggling finding this thing called focus and finding this thing called consistent productivity and prioritization. And so what I do in this program is I help people find where they can get the focus back. And so if this sounds like you, actually, if this sounds like you, squirrel, 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 you might need to check this program out. And so if you'd like to learn more, we share game-changing ideas on how to get this to work. And I actually sort of give you during the program tips on how to actually take these tools that are causing all this distraction, actually use them for productivity again. What a crazy thought. And if you'd like to find more out about this, go out to my website, click on the e-learning tab. You just go to my website, randalldean.com, and when you click on the e-learning tab, you can go to my e-learning academy, and you can jump right down to the Distracted to Productive program. I've also put a little bug up here, which you can click on if you'd rather just go directly to the course info page if you're seeing this on my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this on the e-learning page, now you got a feel for what we're going to cover. You want to get rid of some of those squirrels? Take a look at the program. Thanks, everybody.